The BJP government has not only failed diplomatically in dealing with China, but it has also lost people's faith by spreading misinformation regarding the Chinese presence in Indian territory. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane has asked his field commanders to be prepared for any eventuality and maintain the highest operational preparedness. His demand comes a day after the Army Chief went to Arunachal Pradesh on a 2-day visit to the forward points along the line of actual control in the northeastern state, amid expansionist misadventures by China into Indian territory. The Army General's visit happened at a time when China has moved its troops into Indian land and has refused to disengage the troop buildup, artillery and armour in western Ladakh, middle Uttarakhand and Himachal, and eastern Sikkim and Arunachal areas of 3,488 km long line of actual control. The Chinese People's Liberation Army also has soldiers near Uttarakhand's Lipulekh Pass, a tri-junction between India, Nepal and China atop the Kalapani Valley. The de-escalation at the LAC has as of now stopped since disengagement dialogue between India and China hit a roadblock. Earlier this week, India reportedly told China that Indian troops will not be pushed back since the PLA has also not been moved. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Anurag Srivastav said that India remains committed to de-escalating tensions along the LAC. We also expect that the Chinese side will work with us sincerely for complete disengagement and de-escalation and full restoration of peace and tranquility in the border areas, he said. However, he added the two special representatives had agreed that early and complete disengagement of the troops along the LAC and de-escalation from India-China border areas in accordance with bilateral agreement and protocols and full restoration of peace and tranquility was essential for the smooth overall development of bilateral relations. Rahul Gandhi has once again hit out at the Modi government for not putting the real situation at fore. Rahul Gandhi has said in a tweet that the documents related to real issues always vanish under this government. Ministry of Defence had posted a document on the Twitter on Friday morning which said that Chinese aggression has been increasing along the LAC and more particularly in Galwan Valley since 5th of May 2020. The Chinese side transgressed in the areas of Kugrang Nala, Gogra and north bank of Pangong Tso Lake on 17th and 18th May 2020. The document was however removed by afternoon.